Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to enable infinite scroll in your Google Chrome browser. For example, let me search anything. Now if I scroll down, these are all the results. So now I need to click on next button to view next page. So if I enable infinite scroll, then I can see all the results on this page. So let's see how we can do that. Here you can go and search for InfiScroll Chrome extension. You can install this extension from Chrome Store. Here you can go and click on Add to Chrome. And it will take few seconds. After that you can pin it at the top. Click here. Now if I reload this page and scroll down, here you can see I have got page 2 content here. And if I scroll down a little bit, so this one is the page 4. I'm getting more and more results on a single page. So what is the benefit of using this extension? For example, if you are doing client hunting and you want to collect data, simply you can copy all of the data and then you can clean your data using AI. So that is the main purpose of using this type of extensions, so that you can easily collect all of the data from Google Chrome browser.